Residents of Portmore, we are still in the hurricane season. During this time, we are experiencing heavy rainfall and significant damage as a result. The hurricane season will continue up to November 30. Please take every precaution that you can to protect yourself, your family, and your property in the event of a hurricane. Under my watch, the Portmore City Municipality has installed several evacuation signs across Portmore. These signs show the route to follow if there is a major emergency. I urge you to familiarize yourself with these signs. Also, get to know your shelters nearest to you in case you need to go to one. Here are the shelter listing.